Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the CapCut coloring using video effects. So here, add your clip and then just go to video effects and then go to the star category and then select the gleam effect. Okay, and then set the effects for all clips like this, and then adjust the effect like this. For size, set it to 0, glow 100, and then range 0. Click on a check icon and then go back, go to filter and then find the style category and then select the sunset effect, sunset filter sorry. Okay, this one, and then after that you can adjust it on how much you like. I'm going to go with 75. Then click on the check icon and now the video will look like this. It looks like some kind of retro color. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so please click on a thank below if you think so, and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.